Hey everyone, welcome back to Likita's Foodie Studio. Today, in this video, let's discover the top kitchen gadgets every foodie needs to elevate their cooking game. This curated selection of kitchen gadgets will enhance efficiency, precision, and culinary creativity, perfect for the passionate home chef. Why are these gadgets must have? These gadgets save time and effort in preparation and cooking, achieve consistent professional results every time, and they unlock new cooking techniques and recipes. Prepare healthier version of your favorite dishes and reignite passion for cooking and experimentation with these must to have gadgets. Our first gadgets of today is the stand mixer, your baking powerhouse. Essential for serious bakers handling large batches with ease. These gadget typically modules feature 300 to 500 watt motors and 4.8 to 6.9 liter bowls, reducing prep time by up to 50%. Enables hands-free mixing, kneading dough, whisking minories, 8-minute whisk for stiff peaks, which is perfect for any chef. Attachments expand functionality, pasta makers, meat grinder, and even your ice cream maker as well. A second gadget is air fryer for a guilt-free crispy delights. This gadget circulates hot air to fry food with minimal oil, cooking up to 20% faster than conventional ovens. Perfect for golden oven chips, crispy chicken wings, and roasted vegetables. Energy efficient, uses 70 to 80% less energy than a full-sized oven for small meals. Models range from 2 to 8 liters capacity, ideal for individuals or even a big families. Our next gadget in the row is the immersion blender, PD soup and sauce maker. Handheld design for blending directly in pots or bowls, minimizing the washing up. Power up motors of 200 to 800 watts process ingredients quickly and smoothly, processing up to 1 liter in under 60 seconds. This immersion blenders are ideal for creamy soups, smooth sauces, and homemade mayonnaise and even baby foods. Next up in the row is the digital food thermometer for a precision cooking perfected. This gadget ensures food is cooked to ideal internal temperature for safety and taste with instant read accuracy. Crucial for perfectly cooked meat and baked foods. Prevents overcooking and undercooking, reducing food waste by 15%. Available with probe, instant read, and even Bluetooth connectivity for convenience and ease. Our final gadget is a high-speed blender which features 1000 to 1500 watts motor and durable blades for 20,000 to 30,000 RPM. This blends tough ingredients like nuts, seeds, frozen fruit into perfect smoothness. Creates hot soup from raw ingredients in under 5 minutes due to blade friction. This gadget breaks down cellular walls, increasing nutrient absorption by up to 30%. 5 must to have kitchen gadgets complement each other for diverse culinary tasks. streamlining workflows and allowing more focus on flavor and presentation. For instance, use the stand mixer for dough, then the air fryer for crispy garlic knots, or use the immersion blender for a smooth soup checked by the digital thermometer. Beyond these five must to have kitchen gadgets, we do have other basic gadgets which every kitchen must have. They are caucus wide circulator for a perfectly tender, precise cooking, food processor for chopping, slicing, grating large quantities, digital kitchen scale essential for accurate baking measurements, and pressure cooker which reduces cooking time by up to 70% for stews and braces. So, investing in quality gadgets transforms your cooking experience. Achieve professional results, explore new culinary horizon, and spend less time on prep and more time enjoying the delicious food. These tools are an investment in your passion for food. I would love to know which one of these kitchen gadgets is in your next shopping cart. Mention in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Inspire me by subscribing to my channel.